What's up guys, Sadev here from Nasdaq. Today in this video I am going to unbox the new beast Dell G3 laptop. Without any further ado, let's get started. So basically I ordered it from Flipkart and I got it for around 89,000. Yes, I got it for 89,000. So I'm feeling super excited to unbox. To the box. We can see in user manual and warranty card. Measurements and warranty card. I'll keep this aside. And we can see in 130 watt adapter. From this, we can conclude that this laptop supports fast charging, but I'm not sure about it. I'll conclude that in the last. Okay, this is so coming on to the part of laptop. The laptop is completely card like this. Wait a minute. Keeping this aside. Oh my god, feeling accomplished to see this. Look at this built-in quality which comes with matte finish, and as you can see there is a G3 logo on side and bottom of the laptop. Oh, and you can see there is a blue color rubber straps on the sides of the bottom. It prevents from scratches, and there is a blue colored line on the borders of the laptop which makes it look aesthetic. And the main important thing is that the Dell has come up with a new trend, like they're mixing two different colors which makes their product look classy. My personal opinion is that they design it in such a way that they are designed in somewhat like a sports car. Moving on to the laptop. Opening the laptop, the backlit light of the keyboard glows as soon as the laptop opens. And on the right top here, there is a fingerprint scanner, and this model is i7 10th gen model, and which comes with NVIDIA GeForce graphic card, as you can see here. Moving on to the ports, there are different types of ports, as you can see here. This is US charging port which supports 130 watts fast charging, and this HDMI port which helps in screen steering and lot of other stuff, and this USB port which helps in connecting with mouse, keyboards and other things. The main thing is that this is a LAN wire port which helps in giving Wi-Fi connections. And coming to the right side part of the laptop, it has micro SD card slot and 3.5mm headphone jack, which is quite interesting, and there are two extra USB ports. The notorious feature about this laptop is Alienware command. As you can see here, this is called Alienware command button. Enabling this mode increases the performance of the laptop like anything, and it even increases the fan speed. I will let you hear the fan speed by enabling this Alienware command. As you can hear now, the fan speed is increased. I will disable it and show you. The fan speed decreases. Disabling this mode, the laptop works like a normal laptop. So guys, talking about the performance, it comes with i7 10th gen processor and 4.5 GHz turbo boost, which makes gaming and other intense stuffs easier. And guys, talking about the graphic card, it has a NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti model 4GB graphic card. Guys, when it comes to display, I literally don't have words to describe it. Which comes with FHD plus display resolution with 120 Hz refreshing rate, which give immersive experience while gaming. When it comes to physical part, it has two fans, 1 and 2. which helps in cooling the GPU and CPU and does not give any heating issues. And it has two speakers, as you can see here, which are a quite louder one with the WaveMax sound. Other than that, nothing is there in this laptop to explain for me. I will give a detailed review of this laptop after 20 days. So discussing about the battery part, the battery backup is quite good, that it lasts for 6 hours a day and charge within 1 hour. So finally, if you are planning to buy this laptop, I strongly suggest you to buy this. But if you are not interested in doing intense stuff like gaming, coding and hacking, I strongly suggest you not to buy this laptop. I say this because many of my friends have bought this looking at its external experience, and they almost used it for a week and they kept it aside. The main part is that if you are a normal user, like if you do documentation, PowerPoint, MS Word or video editing and photo editing things and all, I suggest you not to buy this. Go for a lower variant one. So guys, I will be doing videos regarding tech part. If you are interested in tech part, please do subscribe to our channel. Hope you liked it. That's all for the video, guys. Please do watch the full video and press the bell icon for the latest updates and follow the pandemic protocols. Stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.